I hope you all are doing well. This is Upasana, and today in this video I'm going to talk about all the books that I have read this September. To begin with, I would like to say that it doesn't matter how many books you read in a month. All that matters is how much you enjoy while reading it. There are some people who can finish like 20 to 30 books in a month. All that matters is your enjoyment while reading the book. So without any further ado, let's start the video. The first book I'm going to talk about, which I read in the last month, that is September, is the book Before the Coffee Gets Cold. So actually this book is the last book I have read in the month of September, but it was such a good read and it has become one of my favorite books of 2020. So I wanted to begin with this book first. So this book is a Japanese book originally, which has been translated to English by Geoffrey Chaucer, and he has done an amazing job. I think the book is such an amazing piece that it will make any kind of reader feel good after reading it. This book is about a cafe, Funicula, which is in a small place in Tokyo, and this cafe Funicula offers its customers to travel back to time or in the future. It has got a collection of 4 stories which are really amazing, which who happens to be the customers who visited this cafe and travel back to time. So if you have already read this book, do let me know your views and thoughts about this book in the comment section below. And if you haven't read this book yet, please read it as soon as possible, because this is an amazing read. And this is such a good book that you must definitely read. So I have also reviewed this book on my IGTV. So I'll give the link down in my description box so that you can check it out. The next book I'm going to talk about, which I read in the month of September, is this book, My Not So Perfect Life by Sophie Kinsella. So this is another book which I really enjoyed and I really loved. The story is actually about a girl, Katie, who happens to live in London and who is trying to, have a perfect urban life there. She is young and she is very passionate about finding a better job in life or finding a stable job in life. So I think I really enjoyed this book, and without giving you any spoiler, I would like to say that this is a very light-hearted book. So if you are looking for any kind of book that is not much emotional, or or you do not want something to break your heart, then this book is a go. The third book I read in the month of September was Finding Home by J.K. Rowling. It was in a form of ebook, and the story in the book Finding Home was actually a romantic story between 2 characters named Gage and Phoebe. The book was overall a very interesting read, but I did not like the part that it has got very long explanation or very some scenes it was stretched too much. So other than that, the story is very beautiful. The story of Finding Home is all about 2 characters named Gage and Phoebe who happens to fall in love, and their relationship starts with a love-hate relationship. The story is all about how Phoebe fits into the life of Gage and so on. The 4th book I read in the month of September is a short story by Jen Turano, which is called The Gentleman of Her Dreams. So this story gave me a feel of Jane Austen. The story was set on the life of women in the 18th century. So the story is all about Miss Charlotte Wilson, who happens to be in search of a suitable husband. Next book is also a short story which was in a form of ebook, and I found it on Amazon Kindle. This book was by Sophie Kinsella, which is called as The 6 Geese A Laying. So the short story was set up on the background of holiday season, that is Christmas, and the story was very enjoyable. So it starts with 6 pregnant women talking, and Minnie happens to be the main character in this book. The story is all about how Minnie finally realizes the sacrifices and the effort that her husband put into the marriage, which she have overlooked over the years. So those were the books which I have read in the month of September, and I had really a good time reading them. I'm looking forward to read more amazing and nice book this month. See you next time. Bye.